Welcome to your balance and focus moment. Stand tall with your feet hip-width distance apart. Then shift your weight to your left foot and gently lift your right foot, placing it on your inner left thigh or calf. Be sure to avoid the knee. Find a focal point in front of you to help with concentration. Inhale deeply, reaching your arms overhead. Exhale, grounding yourself in the pose. Feel your core engage and your breath steady. If you wobble, that's okay. Just find your center again. Hold for a few more breaths, feeling the strength and stability within you. Now lower your right foot and take a moment to appreciate the sense of balance. Repeat on the other side, and you're ready to take on the rest of your day.